Would you like to see how the city grades Buffalo's streets? Well, now you can. We told you about how you can have a look at the grades for Buffalo's hundreds of miles of road, and you can see it now only on 2. But getting the data took some doing. Investigative reporter Steve Brown explains.
It was the start of the summer repaving season in Buffalo. Mayor Byron Brown announced that May morning that streets in every council district would be repaired. Some $27 million worth of city byways to be patched and repaired this year. How does the city decide which streets to fix? The goal, we were told, was
to do the worst of the worst in those districts as we move forward. But you also have to realize when you see a street that may need some resurfacing, there may be utility work, whether sewer, water, National Grid might be going in there to do some excavation that you have to hold off until that work's done before you do that.
That seemed to make sense. Why fix sections of Main Street nearest the construction at the Buffalo Niagara Medical Campus until the construction is done and the heavy equipment is gone for good? So, construction aside, the question remained, how does the city decide which streets to fix? It was at the May news conference where Commissioner Stepniak announced there was a 1 to 10 rating for every city street. So 3 days later, I submitted a request, a Freedom of Information request for the city's ratings of the city's streets. The very same day, the Public Works Department sent me a letter essentially saying, we got your request. Then for almost 2 months, nothing. Emails about our request were occasionally replied to. Phone calls about our request were not answered. In July, we got our attorneys to send the city of Buffalo a letter telling them basically they were not obeying state law about releasing public records. And voila, yesterday, we got the disc with the street rating data. Now you can have a look at it for yourself. It's on our website, WGRZ.com. Let us know what you think, and we will follow up next week. Steve Brown, Channel 2 News.